Hello dear friends! In this video I will be making a chocolate cake with cherries and ganache. You will find the ingredients in the description below the video. I add cocoa powder, baking powder and vanilla sugar to the sifted flour. I mix everything thoroughly. In a separate bowl, I beat 2 eggs with sugar using a mixer. I add water and sunflower oil, then beat again with the mixer. I fold in the dry mixture with the mixer on low speed until smooth. I grease the baking pan with butter beforehand. I pour the batter into it and tap it several times to release air bubbles. Then I put it into a preheated oven. The time and temperature will be listed below the video. I take the cake out and let it cool completely. Now I prepare the chocolate ganache. For this we need chocolate and cream. I chop the chocolate finely and pour hot but not boiling cream over it. I stir everything well to avoid lumps. If needed, I can blend it a little with an immersion blender to dissolve any lumps. I cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface and put it in the fridge. I place the finished cake on a rack and let it cool completely. You can soak it with cognac if you like. This is optional. I spread the cooled ganache evenly over the top of the cake. I washed and dried the cherries beforehand, removed the pits, and then arranged them on the ganache as shown in the video. To give the cherries a shine, I made a glaze and while it was still hot, covered the cherries on top. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Enjoy your cooking. See you next time. Bye.